Alright, let's zoom in here. Make sure you guys can see everything about this. SD card reader, looks like a mini reader. 2.0, 2.0, 3.0, power port. USB-C and an HDMI. Quite handy as they're removing a lot of the ports off of laptops and other computers. I've been looking at one right now myself, and they're getting rid of all the ports with the exception of this USB-C type. I'm not sure if that's Thunderbolt or not. It does come with this manual, so I will put a copy of this in the description. It says connector plug, USB-C M connector plug. There you go. There you have it right there.